What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, my subscribers, welcome guys. I appreciate the follow. And if you're not subscribed and you want to continue to follow along with this stock being Twitter and many others being Facebook, being Amazon, being Alibaba, I do a variety of these stocks. I try to do a few every day, just kind of looking at them, kind of keeping you up to date where they're at, where they may go by just looking at technical analysis. Now, I know technical analysis is not meant for long-term investing, but it is an actual great tool to use to kind of get an understanding on the current levels and the current situation of the stock for more of a short-term swing play. So this is kind of what I do. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into Twitter. If you have been subscribed and following along, I actually done a video back several days ago on Twitter as it was riding along this 200-day moving average. And I actually had this line created as I wanted to see it get above this and stay above this. I hadn't came back to it until now. And as you see, a few days ago, it actually did pop here on decent volume, as the volume actually was around a 50-day average here, which is better than it if you look around a better day of average or better volume. So it popped over. It has been riding above this 9-day moving average, and it kind of got away from it a little bit. Now it's consolidating a little bit. Volume is starting to kind of fall back. I wouldn't be surprised if you don't see this thing pull back down to the 33 area. It's too early to tell yet. Let's look at the weekly. So yeah, if you look at the weekly here, we had this consolidation after a big fall, and it ran up, and now these two moving averages are kind of converging, and the window's getting a little tighter. The volume is right near the average, and you got this wick here. So next week doesn't look too promising. It all depends on news. I would imagine this thing kind of sticks around this area and it even potentially falls back just by looking at this weekly candle for next week. As far as even more shorter term, let's look at the hourly to see when this volume came in. So you see this thing, how it was consolidating here on this wedge, then did explode up with a good bit of volume there on the 21st. And then it kind of stair-stepped. It kind of got away from itself here as it kind of went further than your average, and fell back down, got to the 20-day moving average or 20 moving average, and had a double top. And then you had a hard sell-off. But the interesting part is a good bit of volume came in. I see this with a bunch of stocks on Friday. A large amount of buying came in on that last hour. If we drill down, it's the last 15 minutes, even though you got this shooting star kind of going on here. A huge amount of volume came in the last 15 minutes on this, so that's actually a good sign going into next week. But I wouldn't be surprised at all if this thing popped up here, got around 35, 36, and then came back down and kind of tread sideways just by looking at this weekly chart. So guys, if you want to follow along to see where Twitter goes, to see if we can't nail this thing down next week exactly, if we're going to come back down to this area or head back up to the $40 range, go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I don't mind answering them. And if you like the video, just simply click to like the video. Guys, I appreciate the viewing, and I will check you guys later.